The Little Book of Value Investing, by Christopher H. Brown, is a concise guide that explores the principles and strategies of value investing. Here's a breakdown of the book's chapters. 1. Introduction to Value Investing. Brown introduces the concept of value investing and its core principles, such as buying stocks at a discount to their intrinsic value and focusing on long-term investing. 2. The 4 pillars of investing. This chapter outlines the 4 key pillars of value investing: buying stocks at a discount, holding a diversified portfolio, conducting thorough research and analysis, and having the patience to wait for the market to recognize a stock's true value. 3. Finding value. Brown delves into the process of identifying undervalued stocks through various methods, including analyzing financial statements, studying market trends, and assessing a company's competitive advantage. 4. Avoiding value traps. The author explains how to avoid value traps, which are stocks that appear undervalued but may have underlying issues. Brown provides insights into conducting in-depth research and recognizing warning signs. 5. The margin of safety. Brown emphasizes the importance of the margin of safety, which is the difference between a stock's intrinsic value and its market price. He discusses how maintaining a margin of safety can protect investors from unforeseen risks. 6. Valuation methods. This chapter explores different valuation methods used by value investors, including price-to-earnings ratio, price-to-book ratio, and discounted cash flow analysis. Brown explains how to apply these methods effectively. 7. The art of buying. Brown offers guidance on the timing and execution of buying stocks. He discusses the benefits of a contrarian mindset, being patient when building a position, and using market downturns as opportunities to buy quality stocks at discounted prices. 8. The art of selling. The author shares insights into when to sell stocks, emphasizing the importance of re-evaluating a stock's fundamentals and selling when it reaches its intrinsic value or when better investment opportunities arise. 9. The Investor's Toolbox. Brown provides additional tools and techniques for value investors, including the use of screening criteria, reading annual reports, analyzing competitive advantage, and assessing management quality. 10. Building a portfolio. This chapter focuses on constructing a diversified portfolio of value stocks. Brown provides practical advice on asset allocation, risk management, and portfolio rebalancing. 11. The Psychology of Value. The author explores the psychological aspects of value investing, including overcoming emotional biases, staying disciplined during market fluctuations, and avoiding herd mentality. 12. Value investing in practice. Brown concludes the book by sharing real-life case studies and examples of successful value investors, illustrating how the principles and strategies discussed can be applied in practice. The Little Book of Value Investing provides a comprehensive overview of value investing principles, techniques, and strategies. It equips readers with the necessary knowledge and mindset to identify undervalued stocks, apply disciplined investment practices, and achieve long-term investment success.